عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello, my third grade students. I'm Mr. Ahmed Ramadan. Welcome again. Today I'm going to speak about Unit 4, Science and Technology. In this unit, we will know some kind of new schools. They are called the STEM schools. And we will know how they are special schools and how they are different to the usual ones. Today we have some new words. I divided them into 3 columns. The first column is for nouns, the second column is for verbs, and the third column is for the adjectives. Let's know our new words. I'll read them. Technology, data, engineering, graph, STEM schools, archaeology, archaeologist, traffic, Wi-Fi, ebook, achievement, essay, award, experiment, smartphone. As for the verbs, we have some new verbs like focus, and it takes the preposition on, develop, encourage, realize, interrupt, type, and remove. Our adjectives are essential, hardworking, special, fit, scientific, rewarding, and neat. Now let's check our new words meanings. Number 1, technology. As we know, technology is the latest devices and inventions and using them in our life. Data means some information and facts. Engineering is a kind of study in universities. Graph is a kind of charts about some facts. STEM schools. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and math. STEM schools, they are schools that they are specialized in science, technology, engineering, and math, and they are specific schools, and they are very good ones. Archaeology is a kind of a study in our universities. Archaeologist is the person who is specialized in archaeology. Traffic is the movement of vehicles on a road. Wi-Fi is something that make mobile computers can connect to the internet. Ebook is a kind of book that you can read on your computer or lab. Achievement is something you have done. We can say make achievements. Essay is a kind of a long paragraph. Award means a prize in a competition. Experiment means an under control test, especially in the lab. Smartphone is a kind of phones that can connect to the internet. Focus means concentrate. Develop means to make something better. Encourage means to make someone want to do something. Realize means know. Interrupt, to stop someone while speaking. Type means to write on the keyboard. Remove, to move something from a place to another. Our adjectives, number 1, essential means very important. Hardworking means working very hard. Special means very good and unusual. Fit means suitable. Scientific means related to science. Rewarding means very good and given reward. Neat means tidy and clean. Now let's go to our text. Let's go to our text in the student book, Science and Technology. I'll read the text for you. STEM schools. Today, knowing how to use modern technology is essential because people use it every day in schools, at home, and at work. It can be easy if you don't know how to use a computer or send an email. People with many different jobs such as teachers, engineers, and scientists all need to understand how to use the latest technology. Students who are very good at STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and math, can also help develop the technology of the future. STEM schools are special schools which focus on developing students' ability in these subjects. There are now STEM schools around the world where lessons are different to those in usual schools. Teachers encourage students to do projects where they work together to solve problems. A lesson might be about how fast a ball falls through the air, or it might be using data to make a graph. Expert teachers help the students through the projects and check their results. In Egypt, there are now STEM schools around the country, and more will be built in the future. STEM schools students must be hardworking. All their lessons are in English so that they can understand and use scientific texts from around the world while they study. Experts say that there will be many more jobs in the future that need skills in STEM subjects. When they finish studying STEM school, students will be able to work in exciting jobs that will use the skills that they have learned. Now, let's answer exercise number 3. Which of the read words in the text means the following? Number 1 is answered, so let's begin with number 2. To give all your attentions to something. Oh yes, it's focus. Number 3, information or facts. Yeah, data. Number 4, to make someone really like and do something. Yes, encourage. Number 5, very important. Yes, it's essential. Okay, now let's answer exercise number 4. Are these sentences true or false? Number 1 is answered, so let's begin with number 2. There are STEM schools in many different countries. Yes, it's true. 3, science lessons are the same in STEM schools as in usual schools. Oh, yeah, it's false. Number 4, there will be more STEM schools in Egypt in the future. Yes, true. The last one, number 5, STEM school students all study science in English. False. Now, let's go to an exercise on our new vocab. Number 1, I can't space onto things at the same time. Encourage, offer, represent, or focus. I can't, yeah, focus. Number 2, students need a lot of space to write a report about the experiment. Data, money, Wi-Fi, or e-books. Yeah. Number 3, my son studies space at the university. Achievements, engineer, archaeologist. Yes, engineering. Number 4, you can use the internet in this cafe because it has trophy, epoch, telephone, and Wi-Fi. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Okay, the next step, let's go to our new structure. Today, our new structure is how to express certainty and uncertainty. As we know, when you are sure about something, we use must be plus adjective or noun. But in this case, you are sure about positive something or a positive sentence. When you are sure about a negative something or a negative sentence, we can use can, be, plus adjective or nouns. We have some expressions for certainty, like I feel sure, I'm certain, surely, certainly, definitely, and I have no doubt. Let's go to our examples. Number 1, he must be clever. He always comes first. He must be clever. I'm sure he is clever. Number 2, Minna must be rich. I feel sure about that. When I use I feel sure, so I'm sure about the sentence. Let's go to the next step. Maha has a lot of work to do. She can't be free. Can't be. I'm sure. I'm sure that she isn't free. It's impossible that she smokes. Impossible. You must be mistaken. You can't be right. Yes, you are sure that he doesn't smoke. What about when we are unsure about something? We use might be plus adjective or noun. There are some expressions for uncertainty, like I'm not sure, I'm not certain, I have no idea, it's possible, probable, probably, I have no idea, I don't know, perhaps. There are some expressions. We use them when we are unsure about something. When I say he might be at home, might be, so I'm not sure if he is at home or not. I'm not sure. I don't know why the baby girl is crying. I don't know. She might be angry. I'm not sure if she is angry or not. Sorry, she might be hungry. Let's go to our book to answer the exercise on our new structure. Let's go to exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with might, must, or can be. Number 1 is answered. Number 2, in this photo, everyone is wearing warm clothes. It is based very cold there. Everyone is wearing warm clothes, so it must be very cold. Three, I'm not sure what the weather will be like tomorrow. I'm not sure it's space hot or windy. I'm not sure, so I'll use might be. Number 4, is this Nadia's bag? It is space. Let's see if her books are in it. Okay, in this sentence, I'm not sure about this, so I'll use it might be. It might be. Number 5. You have been working very hard today, Mom. You space tired. Yeah, you must be tired. Number 6. This space Hassan's bicycle. He doesn't have one. He doesn't have one, so this can't be. Okay, now let's go to an exercise on the structure. Number 1, he must be late. Use can't. Okay, he can't be early. Number 2, he must be happy. Use sure. Oh yeah, I'm sure he is happy. Okay, number 3, she might be at home. Probable. Okay, I can say it's probable that she is at home. Okay, number 4, I'm not sure that he is at home. I'm not sure, yeah. He might be at home. The last one, he is rich. He has a wonderful car. Must. I can say he has a wonderful car. He must be rich. Okay, now let's go again to our student book. Page number 21. Yeah. I'll answer the exercise number 1. Number 1 is answered, so number 2, ebook. Okay, ebook D, yeah. Okay, 3, smartphone, yeah. C. The last one, Wi-Fi, A. The next page completes the sentences. Number 1 is answered. B. The students used the space from the experiment to draw a graph. Yeah, data. C. My grandfather doesn't want or an space because he likes to buy new books from the bookshop. Yeah, ebook. D. We can use the internet in this cafe because it has, yeah, Wi-Fi. We answered it before. Exercise number 2 completes the sentences with might be, must be, or can't be. Number 1 is answered. So I'll begin with number 2. That space Hassan's brother. He is working in London this week. Yeah, can't be. 3. The museum space closed. There are no lights on. Yeah, must be. Number 4. You won first prize. You space very happy. Yeah, must be. Number 5, we aren't sure how old this coin is. It's space hundreds of years old. Yeah, might be. Okay, let's go to exercise number 3. Complete the sentences with these words. Number 1 is answered. 2, space, Ahmed will go to London. I'm not sure. Yeah, perhaps. 3, Shihab, space, be happy. He has just won a gold medal. Yeah, must. 4, Salma, space, be at the club. I'm not sure. Yeah, might. 'The last one, I'm space, you did well on your exam because you studied very hard. I'm sure. That's all. Thanks.